Hey, thanks for joining us out on the trail today.
Today we're out putzing around Putz Wood Canyon.
That's a lot of putzing.
Yes, for sure. It's a trail that we found on Onyx. We have not been on this trail before, so it's going to be a new experience for us.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what the trail holds. It doesn't look like it's a frequented trail. It looks maybe a little less used, so it should be interesting to see what we find along the way.
So come with us and we'll show you what we explore.
Let's get on the trail. So this is where the trail ends for us today. This is getting a bit rocky, a bit dangerous for one vehicle. There's no way to pull the Gladiator off if it bellies out on these rocks. So I think we're going to call it a day and have a good evening instead of calling a tow truck if we get stuck. This trail's not so bad, but we get to a point right past Mary here that is a little sketchy and too much for just one vehicle kind of day. So we're going to turn it around and head back the way we came. We only have just a little bit of the trail left, so we got most of it. But it sure is beautiful and quiet out here. You can tell there's very little traffic out here. It's so quiet.
All right, now that we're done with the trail, what did you think?
That was a pretty narrow trail, but it ended up at some cool rocks and some dried out creek bed crossings, which could be exciting in the spring when there's water flowing. But
yeah, there was a little bit of water, not too much, but it was a beautiful area. Unexpectedly beautiful. A lot of wildflowers out today. A cool canyon, little creek.
We've been out here a couple hours. We haven't seen anyone, so it's kind of nice to get out and get in a secluded area and just kind of smell the fresh, clean air.
Yeah, I'm so happy we found this on Onyx. It wasn't marked on any of our other apps, so we appreciate whoever put this trail out there. It was good to explore.
Yeah, it was really tight. It felt like it was almost a wagon trail from the Old West. You know, it's a pretty tight trail that goes back. Unfortunately, it ended at a pretty rocky crossing that I wasn't really willing to risk with one vehicle, because if I got turtled, I couldn't recover myself. So needed Mary's Jeep. So we stopped there, turned around, made the smart decision that we get home tonight and enjoy dinner.
Yeah, absolutely. We got some pictures along the way, which we'll be sure to share with you. As you already know, we're going to put those pictures up for sale at For Love and Craft, where all proceeds go to feed the hungry.
Yeah, it was a great day, a great Saturday just to get away from the house and the hustle and bustle. And I'm glad we got out today. I hope you enjoyed the trail and the pictures Mary took. It was a lot of fun.
And until next time, get out there and explore.
Create.
And do good. Bye.
Bye.